First of all, thank you for letting me know what's confusing. This way I can help you clarify things. So letter D, printed. If you know letter P, you can start with that. So it goes like this. And then simply add a horizontal line under it. And then little vertical lines at the ends. So that's one way. Another way is to start at the base of this letter. So you're going to draw a long horizontal line and then short vertical lines, little leggies. And then you're going to have two vertical lines on top which are parallel, trying to make it parallel, and then connect both of them with a horizontal line at the top. So that's pretty much how you do it. The small one is the same way, like this, or start at the bottom and then put this whole construction on top of it. That's it. Let me know if you have more questions. I apologize for the lines that are not very straight, but that's how it goes. And if you have more questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. Пока-пока.